Ogwesigika totawana kutambula ekibuga tawafeke bucha abasangibwa ku luguudo lwa Salama okumpi ne Makindye Senior Secondary School okulira na Pearline Primary School ngukirira ku Charles City batunda ennyama ennungi ng'ate eri fresh weetaaga ya mikolo weetaaga ya waka ogyetaaga luddawa era mu bipimo kikaaki bakubira essimu bajja gikutuusaako wonna w'ogyetaaze essaawa yonna okumanya ebisingawo kubira Tawfik Bucha ku nnamba eno ku 075 23-89-33 oba 0-774-75-45 Tawfik Bucha tweweeyo kuweereza essaawa 24
through their majority in parliament for an additional 3.5 trillion shillings. Now what is this money for? This money is going to be spent on laughable things, among which are 2.7 billion for supervising the Ghost Lubowa Hospital project. All of you know so much of our money has been stolen through that fake non-existent project. But as if that's not enough, there has been 2.7 million given to supervise that project that you all know does not exist. There is 45 billion shillings put aside to buy a banana peeling machine. Akuma akawata amatoke. 45 billion shillings. There is a 30 billion shillings put aside to help artists and musicians. Now, I am an artist and I'm not only knowledgeable but concerned in this area. I know that we as the entertainment industry, we need support, but the support is not handouts. We need the policies that will make even the artists in Kabongo, in Kavera Maido, in Gomba, in Rushere to benefit from a good system, not handouts. I've told my fellow artists time and again that they should not be reduced to beggars, but many of them were arguing that I am bringing politics into music. And they are saying that we should separate music and politics. I want to reiterate my points again, that politics, among other things, is concerned with slicing the taxpayers' money and apportioning it to different things. So, this is how taxpayers' money is being apportioned. Artists have been demanding for a copyright law that will make sure we have policies that will protect artists, not giving them money. But this time around, because General Museveni believes in, patronage, he believes in bribing, he has put that money aside, which money I am even sure is not going to reach the artists. The artists are only being used to steal money. And before long, you'll see fights in the industry, you'll see divisions in the industry, and yes, you'll see so many of them silenced and compromised to support the regime because they will have committed crimes relating to corruption. Now, that is not the problem. The problem is here. First, there's a problem that out of that 3.5 trillion, 418 billion is going to Museveni's house. Now this is a man that is already spending 2 billion shillings every day. However, that is not enough. Museveni needs another 418 billion to spend some more. Now an even bigger problem comes here. On top of the 3.5 trillion, there was an addendum of 55 billion. Now this sounds like a scandal, and it was important that I communicated to you, ladies and gentlemen. You remember that in the past supplementary budget last year of 77 billion, members of parliament were each bribed with 40 million shillings. Many of them denied it, but yes, some of them actually spoke the truth that they were given that money. This time they are giving every member of parliament 100 million shillings as a bribe to pass that supplementary. Let me repeat it for clarity. This time the regime is bribing every member of parliament with 100 million shillings of taxpayers' money in order to pass the supplementary budget. Now imagine 55 billion shillings just going out to members of parliament as a bribe. I want to use this opportunity to warn our members of parliament that we know about this and we have broken the news to the population. I have said it many times and I'm saying it today that